Hi everyone, welcome back to Codex Lab. Today, I'll guide you through the process of downloading and installing PyCharm and Python, two essential tools for any aspiring Python developer. Let's get started. First, we need to install Python. Open your web browser and go to the official Python website at python.org. On the homepage, hover over the Downloads tab. You'll see a button for the latest version of Python. Click on Download Python. Once the installer is downloaded, open it. Next, we'll download PyCharm. Go to the JetBrains website at jetbrains.com/PyCharm. You'll see two versions of PyCharm, Professional and Community. The Community version is free and suitable for most Python development needs. Click on Download under the Community version. After installing PyCharm, open it up. Click New Project to start a new one. Enter a name and choose a location, then click Create. And you're all set. Enjoy coding!